What are you actually investing for? It's a simple question, but if you're like most people, your answer is probably a bit vague: the future, or retirement, or just to make money. But what if you could connect every single dollar you invest to a specific, tangible goal? That's the power of goal-based investing, and it's what Betterment is all about. Think about it. Your financial goals aren't all the same. Saving for a down payment on a house in 5 years is a lot different than saving for retirement in 30. They have different timelines, different needs, and they should have different investment strategies. With Betterment's goal-based approach, you can create a unique, optimized plan for each of your goals. So, how does it work? Let's walk through the steps. First, you set your goals. Betterment makes this incredibly easy. You'll log in and see options like safety net, retirement, major purchase, or college fund. You select the goal that matters to you and give it a name. Let's say you're saving for a new car. You name the goal car fund and specify your target amount and the date you want to buy it. Second, Betterment's technology gets to work. Based on the details you provided, that target amount and the timeline, the platform automatically recommends an investment portfolio. This is a key part of the magic. For a shorter-term goal like a car, it will likely suggest a more conservative mix of stocks and bonds to protect your capital. For a long-term goal like retirement, it will recommend a more aggressive allocation to maximize growth over time. You don't have to be an expert to know what to do. Betterment's algorithm handles the complexity for you. Third, you fund your goals. You can make a one-time deposit or, even better, set up recurring contributions. Betterment will show you how much you need to save each month to stay on track. This automation is a game changer, turning saving from a chore you have to remember into a habit that just happens. Finally, you track your progress. The platform provides a clear, visual representation of where you stand. You'll see your progress bar fill up as your investments grow, and if you start to fall behind, Betterment's advice tools will give you a nudge and suggest how to get back on track. This takes the guesswork out of investing and replaces it with clarity and confidence. This isn't just about picking investments. It's about building a financial life that is structured around what you want to achieve. It's about moving from abstract to actionable. It's about giving every dollar you invest a specific purpose and watching it work for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.